Nature. The word itself evokes images of towering trees, deep oceans, and the wild creatures that call this planet home. But have you ever stopped to wonder just how deep the wonders of the natural world really go? Today we're going to explore some of Earth's most fascinating creatures and ecosystems, from the deepest oceans to the highest mountains. Hold on tight, because this journey through nature will take you to places you've never imagined. These forests are not only magnificent to look at, but they are critical to the survival of our planet's biodiversity. They store carbon, regulate the climate, and provide shelter to millions of species. The jungles of the world also serve as a home to some of the most unique animals, like the poison dart frog, whose vibrant colors are a warning to predators. And don't forget the towering trees. The tallest trees on Earth, the redwoods, can reach heights of over 300 feet. In these jungles, every inch of space is filled with life, such as the sloth, which moves at a pace that could be described as relaxed. But it has an important role to play in maintaining the balance of its ecosystem. Next, we step into the heart of the planet, its forests. The Amazon rainforest, often called the lungs of the earth, produces about 20% of the world's oxygen. But it's not just the trees that make these forests special. It's the incredible diversity of life that thrives in these ecosystems. Every creature in the jungle plays a role, creating a delicate balance in nature. But what happens when that balance is disrupted? Let's dive into the world beneath the waves. The ocean covers over 70% of our planet's surface and is home to millions of creatures. Yet, much of it remains unexplored and mysterious. But the ocean isn't just a realm of mystery. It's a delicate ecosystem that needs our protection. The coral reefs, for example, are some of the most vibrant ecosystems on Earth, but they are slowly dying due to climate change and human activity. Did you know that some of the creatures that live here are almost alien in their appearance? From the bioluminescent jellyfish that light up the darkness to the enormous blue whale, the ocean is a place of constant wonder and discovery. From the tiny fish hiding among coral reefs to the massive blue whale, the ocean is a world of wonder. But beneath its beauty, a silent threat looms. As we shift our focus from the ground to the skies, we enter the world of birds, the masters of flight. From the powerful eagle soaring over mountains to the tiny hummingbird darting from flower to flower, birds are some of the most agile and remarkable creatures on Earth. The diversity of birds is astounding. Did you know that the peregrine falcon is the fastest animal on Earth, reaching speeds of over 240 miles per hour while diving? That's faster than most cars. But it's not all about speed. Some birds have incredible navigational skills, like the Arctic tern, which migrates over 25,000 miles every year from the Arctic to the Antarctic. Their journey is longer than any other animal's migration. Next, we journey high above the ground to the towering peaks of Earth's mountains. Here, life has adapted in unique ways to survive in some of the harshest conditions on the planet. From the snow-covered peaks of the Himalayas to the rugged terrain of the Andes, mountains are home to some of the most resilient species. Animals like the snow leopard thrive in the extreme cold, while mountain goats can scale near vertical cliffs with ease. And the plants that survive here have evolved to withstand freezing temperatures and little oxygen. But just like other ecosystems, the mountains are threatened by human activity and climate change. Glaciers are melting and habitats are shrinking. These once inaccessible places are now vulnerable. Finally, let's travel to one of the most inhospitable places on Earth, the desert. While the desert may seem empty at first glance, it is home to a fascinating array of creatures and plants that have adapted to survive with very little water. From the majestic camel, able to go for days without water, to the small but mighty sidewinder rattlesnake that can move across sand with almost no effort, life here is truly remarkable. And don't forget the plants. Cacti can store thousands of gallons of water in their trunks, ensuring they can survive during the hottest, driest months of the year. As we look at the beauty and diversity of life across our planet, we must remember that every ecosystem, from the depths of the ocean to the highest mountain peak, is interconnected. Each species plays a crucial role in maintaining the balance of life. But we're facing unprecedented challenges. Climate change, deforestation, and pollution threaten the delicate balance of nature. The time to act is now. Protecting these ecosystems and creatures is not just important, it's essential for the future of our planet. Together, we can make a difference. We have the power to preserve the wonders of nature and ensure that future generations can experience the beauty we've shared today. Thank you for joining me on this incredible journey through Earth's most fascinating creatures and ecosystems. Now it's up to us to protect them. If you were inspired by today's video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to help spread the message of conservation. Join the movement to protect our planet's incredible wildlife and ecosystems. See you next time.